people, and welcome back to my channel. I am LaDonna J. If you are new, hello, hi, welcome. I am LaDonna J. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. If you're not new, hey y'all, what's going on? How y'all doing? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you are not already. For today's video, we are going to be doing a very, very popular fall trend right now, the ginger red hair color. I mean, come on. And y'all, this is a synthetic wig. If you're not ready to dye your real hair or do human hair, this synthetic wig cost me $35 from Sam's Beauty. I will link it down below for you guys. It is from Sensational. Come on, y'all. Y'all know I be doing the stock cards justice. Don't play with her. It's definitely not that color. I got this one, so it's pretty much the same. This is the color that I got. I already have an orange wig like this. It's a little bit brighter. What you guys are seeing in the camera is the real color. It's very dark. It's actually really beautiful. Complements my skin a lot. I should have done my eyebrows a little bit lighter, but it's okay, whatever. It's not short. It sheds a little bit. It doesn't tangle much. I personally like it. The fabric is stretchy. It's ear to ear HD lace with baby hairs. You can use heat on it. I got the style Takeisha in ginger red. So Takeisha ginger red from Sensationnel's, their red crush line. So yeah, y'all, I did like a voiceover in the video. I didn't really show you guys how I do my wigs because they're pretty much all the same. So I just showed you guys how I did it. At first I was not feeling this hair because I didn't know how to feel about it. I just didn't feel like it complimented my skin. And then the lace, it's kind of, I don't know. It takes some getting used to, but the more I've been playing in it, the more I like it. And I've been playing in it for about an hour now, and it's still no tangles. Like I just said, it sheds just a little bit, maybe 1 to 2. And I also cut it a little bit, but it's not long at all. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it. If you're interested in seeing how I styled this wig or the hairstyles I did include some hairstyles for you guys at the end of the video. Go ahead, stay tuned, keep watching. Any questions or anything like that, comment down below and I will answer them for you guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this ginger red hair. Okay, so starting off how I always do, 2 French braids, crisscross them in the back with 2 bobby pins on each side. Go to, lays it flat and takes no time. This is the wig that I'm going to be using, Takeisha, in the style ginger red. I do have a video already with this color wig, but this is a middle part. The previous one was a however you wanted to part it. So these are the color ranges this style comes in. This is the Shear Muse Red Crush collection. So those are all of the styles, all of the colors that come in this wig collection. I got ginger red. This color is trending so much for the fall time, so I had to jump on the bandwagon and show you guys an affordable synthetic wig, because y'all know I do the syntheticas on this channel, whatever. This is the construction, 2 combs on the top and adjustable strap and 1 in the back. This is a middle part only wig. This is not a illusion of a frontal. It's not pre-plucked, anything like that. The tracks come up pretty close to the lace. It is stretchable. I don't know how I feel about it. It's laced throughout and the tracks are sewn on, but I'm not a big fan of the construction of the cap. It is stretchy. It is big head girl friendly. So if you got a big head, this will fit you. I'm looking at myself like, oh my God, at this moment, I did not like it. I should have went in with a hot comb or a blow dryer. I don't have a really good hot comb, so I wouldn't have done anything to it, but maybe went in with the blow dryer and flattened out the top part a little bit because it is a little bit dense up there. It's pretty much poofy, and the hairline is very Barbie dollish. But once you put it on your head, it will melt. I'm going to go in with some foundation, my powder foundation, and darken up that lace because it is gray and we don't want that. So I'm going to go in and darken up that lace. And as you can see, it blended pretty well. I cut off the lace in a jagged motion with a razor comb, and this is what it looks like. I should have went in and flattened the top, but I didn't. Now looking back, I definitely should have. I will recommend that you guys go ahead and flatten out that top with a hot comb. The hair sheds just a little bit, not crazy or anything like that. But it does shed. It didn't tangle much. I got like a few tangles as I was changing my hairstyles, but other than that, it did not tingle or shed too crazy. I'm going to go in with some 91% alcohol and clean my hairline just a little bit because I did have makeup on and I want the adhesive to stick to my head. So I'm going in with the Ebon lace spray glue. And I'm just going in, spraying that and rubbing it in with my finger. And then I'm just going to place the wig on and try to get it to melt to the best that I can. I don't know how I really feel about this. I don't wear wigs much, but as I play with this particular spray, I'm not really a fan because it doesn't stick on the ear portion. Like, it doesn't stick that well. I like the got to be, but I run out, so that's why I was just using this. But I definitely love this hair color. I should have definitely done my eyebrows lighter. They were too dark. My features were definitely too dark for this particular hair color. I would recommend, or I prefer, a lighter eyebrow with this color hair, in my opinion. But don't get me wrong, the color is very, very beautiful, very, very trendy. You can get the look for less. I will link all the information to this wig down below for you guys if you are interested in it. It does come with baby hair, so I'm just putting them edges out and swooping them. They did come curled. I didn't put any product on them or anything. I'm just taking them and curling them back. And then I'm going to go in with an elastic and lay down that lace so that way it sticks because it was not sticking by itself. So I put on the elastic band to further give me hold. Then I'm going to go in with some lighter powder and put it in my part to try to make it stand out because it was kind of disappearing. So I tried to make it more pronounced with some makeup. So now I'm going to go in and create some face framing layers because this hair was literally just falling all over the place in my face and I did not like that. So I decided to cut some face framing layers in the wig. It was okay. Like I said, you kind of have to grow with this color. Like, it has to grow on you. So this wig was growing on me as I was doing the video. I'm making faces because I was not really feeling it. But as I continued to wear it throughout the day, I was like, oh, she cute or whatever. This is not a color I would permanently do. This wig definitely got the red ginger trend out of my system. I won't be going to dye my hair this color, but it's a great alternative if you are thinking of dyeing your hair. Get this wig and see if you like it. Here I'm like, it's okay. So I'm just gonna start playing in it and, try to start to feel myself or whatever, trying to feel like a baddie. But like I said, I definitely should have done my eyebrows thinner. I mean, not thinner, lighter. And I think I would have been real cute or whatever. But you can see, like, it's giving scalp, mommy. Don't play with her. Like, it's giving frontal, you know. You can see it is a little bit boxy, but it's not bad. Like, it's still giving you what it's supposed to give. So this is what it looks like down. In the middle part, you know, I put it behind my ear because it was falling in my face and I didn't like that. You can put it up in a claw clip with 2 pieces out. This style is very trendy as well for the fall time. You know, the claw clip, you know, something out of your face, cute and simple. Or you can do something real funky. You know, Halloween is coming, you know, fall time, Halloween or whatever. And then this hair, you can do something funky with it. I was feeling very Spice Girl. So I decided to do this cute little hairstyle. I personally like this. Kind of came out real cute. I might do this with some black hair. 2 little space buns on the top with a piece out. That was cute. I was feeling it. Something different. So this is another style you can do with the wig. Endless possibilities when it comes to synthetic wigs, y'all. Don't knock it until you try them. This one is very cute. I used to do this style back in the day, okay, like middle school time. I used to want my hair like this when it was straight. So I decided to do this. I thought this was really cute, half up, half down with a bun, and then you just have the regular half up, half down style, trending, all that. But that is the end of the video, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Stay true, stay you, and stay positive. Bye.